Did you know that a little boy once heard God's voice in the middle of the night? This is the amazing story of Samuel. Long, long ago, when people rarely heard from God, a young boy named Samuel lived in God's temple. He helped the old priest Eli every day. One dark night, Samuel was sleeping near the special ark of God when suddenly, "Samuel! Samuel!" someone called. Samuel jumped up and ran to Eli. "Here I am! You called me!" But Eli said, "I didn't call you. Go back to bed." Again it happened. "Samuel!" The boy ran to Eli again, but the old priest hadn't called him. When it happened a third time, wise old Eli realized what was happening. "God is calling you," he whispered excitedly. "Next time say, 'Speak, Lord. Your servant is listening.'" Samuel's heart pounded as he went back to bed. When God called again, the nervous boy said those special words. God gave Samuel his first important message. From that night on, Samuel became God's faithful prophet. God can speak to anyone, and even kids like you.